coding books. So basically today's GFG we have a problem, kth missing positive numbers in a sorted array, and it is a medium level problem, and as the problem statement is given a sorted array of distinct positive integers array, here you need to find the kth positive numbers that is missing from the array. So as the example is given here, array is 2, 3, 4, 7, 11, and the kth value is given is 5, and here output is like 9. The missing are 5, 1, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, and fifth missing number is 9. So basically in the given problem we have an array which is a distinct kind of array, and here inside the array we have some missing values also. So we have to find the kth missing kth number or kth index value that are in the missing values. Okay, like for example here according to example 1 here, so here I have written as 2, 3, 4, 7, 11. So if we are going to like counting it from the index value which is 1 or the starting value as 1, so we know very well that here in the given array, if we assume that 11 is my last value and it is always start with 1, so 1 is like missing, then 2, 3 is like there, then 4, 5, 6 is like missing, then 7 is already in the array, then 8, 9, 10 is missing, and then 11. So this is the this is all the elements inside the array having a missing element also as well as the given elements also. So we have to find the kth index value from the missing item. So here we can set here k is equal to 5. So if we are going to count for k is equal to 5, that means the index value for k as 5 is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from the missing element of the array. Then we actually getting as 9. So here 9 is okay, so here 9 will be our output here. So here 9 will be our output. Similarly, if I'm talking about the second example here, so here we have 1, 2, 3, and we know 1, 2, 3, so the numbers like goes continuously going on like 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we know very well after 3 we actually getting 4 and 5, and the kth index, that means kth index for the missing element is like 5. So 5 will be our output here. So we have to solve this problem with an expected time complexity of order of log n and expected of the space of order of 1, and it is like completed based on binary search and arrays. Okay, so we have to do it by using binary search method. Okay, so how we can do it? So first of all we have to create let's say missing num, where I'm declaring it as a and initializing it with 0. Okay, and then after that we have to define our current pointer that basically defines the current positions. Okay, so here we can set it, that means we have to start it from 1. Okay, and then after that our main I, that means our I pointer will be starting from 0. Okay, that means it is basically as we know that array is based on 0 based index, so it will be starting from the first index element. Okay, so now what we have to do here, we have to give the condition, while if the array is like 2, then we have to give the condition, like we can say that if I, that means my first index value, that means 0. Okay, I is 0, that means it points to this position. If I'm considering the example 1 here, like 2, 3, 4, 7 and 11. So if I is like less than array dot size, okay, that means if satisfying this case, and I'm saying that if array of I, that means the first value like 2 here is given is like equal to current, which I have initialized it with 1. So we know very well here like 1 is like not equal to 2. So in that case we are going to store it inside the missing element. But if like we can say that if the current element is like 2, then in that case 2 is already present. So in that case we can say that if this condition is true, that means we can say that means element is already existed. Okay, so in that case what we will do, we have to simply do count plus plus. Okay, no count, we have to simply do I plus plus, that means it the given element is already existed. Else what we have to do, else we have to do missing num plus plus, that means if the element is not present, if the element is not present in the array, Now this is the code by which we can say that the given element is like not existed. Now once we have like find the missing element, then we have to return the kth value. Okay, that means the values from the missing number for key index. So here we can say that if missing num is equal to we can say that k, then we have to simply return the current value. Okay, then at the last we have to simply do count plus plus current plus plus. Let's try to compile and run. So yeah, here comparison is completed. Let's try to submit it. So it's submitted. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.